back to my channel. It's your girl Nicole, and I'm back with another hair review for you guys. Friday Night Hair, let it plug. They sent me a wig, and it's red. You know, I wanted to try something different, so I just got, like, you know, red. I'm about to fix this red wig up, and this is in the style GLS78. And the color is RB35. Okay. And I'm about to take it out the package. This hair is super red, y'all. Look at this. Take it out the little net it came in. Ooh. I never had like real red hair like this, y'all. This is about to be new for me. And here's the little card it came with. Friday Night Hair. This is a synthetic wig, and you can add heat to this wig. It has the combs, the 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. And it has an adjustable strap if you want to make it to adjust to your head or fit to your head. You could just fix your strap. And see if I want to wear it curly or do I want to straighten it. And you can straighten these synthetic wigs, so that you can straighten the wig. So if you want to wear it like this or you want to straighten it, but if you straighten it, you cannot get these curls back in the wig if you straighten it. So this is how the wig looks. Curly. I didn't add baby hairs to it. Yeah. And let's see what the parting looks like for this wig. Okay. So you can part it and do it like a middle part. Whoa. You get tangled. This is giving me Rihanna vibes. And I gotta fix this to get rich. Alright, so I'm about to take this wig off and flat iron it so y'all can see. So I didn't really glue the lace down because it's hard lace, and I customized it. I add a little bit of powder to my part because it wasn't looking natural. But this is what it looks like. It's long. But this hair does tangle at the ends. It does tangle at the end, so keep a brush in your hand, probably 24/7. But it was real easy to flat iron. I had my flat irons on, what was it, 300 or 390? No, it was 390. I had it on 390, and I did press the top to get it smooth, and I added a little bit of hair polisher on it, you know, to give it a little bit of shine. This hair is, I love this color though, this red. Who this? Who this? Newbie, who this? But guys, if you want to purchase this hair, I will have the link down below. Friday Night Hair, check them out. I think I got my last wig from Friday Night Hair. It was the black wig. You guys can check that out. I'm gonna have that link in the description box down below as well. Love you guys. Bye.